Hello and welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars. Absolute fantastic chauffeur's dream for you today. This is a Mercedes-Benz S-Class. It's the S350L V6 BlueTEC AMG line. It's finished in the Palladium Silver Metallic paintwork and it's complemented perfectly with the crystal grey Nappa Leather. Now this car is very special indeed. It's covered 68,427 miles and it comes with £22,320 and 85 pence of factory optional extras. And to make it even more special, a full Mercedes-Benz service history. All the services, mileages and locations are on the advert. Have a look, it really truly is special. Now because it is so special, I think it's important, and I'm trying not to bore you, but go through all those options with you. So, starting off, we have the memory package, driver and front seat passenger. That was £416. Nappa Leather in the crystal grey, £1,450. Executive rear package, £3,333. Rear seat comfort package, £2,916. AMG line pack, £3,329. Comfort ventilated front seats, £550. Electric panoramic glass sunroof, £1,191. Front seat comfort package, £1,450. Easy adjust luxury front head restraints, £216. Heads up display, £1,025. 360 degree camera, that was £733. The 20-inch AMG alloy wheels, £941. TV tuner, £925. Split view for command online, £683. Keyless go package, £1,241. and the driver assistance package, £1,916. and that is on top of the incredible standard specification that this car comes with. Now I want to show you the important parts of the car. Of course, for the driver, that beautiful comfort that is in here. Fantastic place to be and an absolutely incredible drive. But the important part, where I like to sit, in the back. We have all the ambient lighting that appears behind the seats, and we have the rear entertainment system as well, along with it all the light that's coming through from the panoramic roof. If you like your music, we do have the Burmeister sound system in here. We have the memory seats in the back. I don't like to use this term, but it's fully loaded. Give you a final look before I bid you farewell. Thank you once again for watching. If you have any questions at all on the car, please do give the award-winning sales team in Leeds a call. We're on hand to answer any questions that you may have. We work with a panel of lenders for any of your financial requirements, and also work with Warranty Wise, the UK's #1 warranty company for extended warranty needs as well. Again, thanks for watching. I look forward to hearing from you.